Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to clear internal storage on Android. Friends, if you want to easily find and delete large files on your Android phone, then you need to search for files. Now here you will find this file software. This is a Google software. So you need to open it and here you need to press on videos. Now press on three dots. Now press on sort by and here you need to select largest first. Now it will show the heaviest file on the top. So you need to select the unwanted files and delete them to make some space on your phone. After selecting the file, press on this delete button to delete the files. So friends, with the help of this software, you can sort the heaviest files and delete them to make some space on your phone. So friends, like this you can very easily clear internal storage on Android. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.